All right, hello. We're taking a look at Hess's Law long today. So I'll be doing this quick example, and this is just showing us how we go from using two equations that we can manipulate to going towards the target equation. So these are our two equations we're going to manipulate, and this reaction here with carbon and oxygen to get carbon monoxide, this is going to be our target. So this is what we're trying to get these two equations to look like. Just this question about not being able to do this in a lab, it's because carbon monoxide is being produced, so it would be unsafe. So when we go through this, what I like to start with is trying to get what I need on the correct side. So for instance, I see a carbon as a reactant, and I see it as my reactant here. So far, I don't think I'm going to do anything with my first equation. My second equation, though, I see carbon monoxide as a reactant, but in my target, I see it as a product. So that tells me I want to flip this reaction. So I want to make my reactants products, my products reactants. And then if I do that, I'll also have to change the sign. So I'm going to write that out over here. So I'm starting with my first reaction, just so I have it, giving you CO2, and we have the delta H. And then I'm going to take my second reaction that I'm going to flip. So I have 2 CO2 plus, I'm sorry, not plus, this is going to be an arrow, to give you 2 carbon monoxide plus oxygen. So that's what I want to take a look at first. And because I did flip that reaction, I am just going to make that positive. Now, from here, I want to, again, take a look at my target, and my target equation only has 1 mole of carbon monoxide. So to get that, I'm going to divide this whole equation by 2. So divide everything you see by 2, and if you divide the equation by 2, you have to divide your delta H by 2. So the 2's here will cancel, the 2's here will cancel. Here we'll be left with a half. Now we're able to add these two equations together. So adding this up, I would see my carbon dioxide canceling, and over here we have a whole carbon or oxygen, and here we only have a half. So half of this one will cancel with half out of the whole, leaving just a half. So if I take a look at what's left over, I have carbon plus half an oxygen and carbon monoxide. And then with my delta H, I would have negative 393.5 plus positive 566.2 divided by 2. So I put that in my calculator, I would get my answer, and my unit would be in kilojoules. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.